Cetinje is a small mountain town in southwestern Montenegro. It was founded in the 15th century as the seat of Montenegrin rulers and later became the country's historical and cultural capital. The town stands at about 670 meters above sea level, and it is known for its 19th century buildings, small museums, old diplomatic houses. The Cetinje monastery stands in the town center. It's an old and holy place. Many church leaders and rulers lived near the monastery. In the late 1600s and early 1700s, Nikola Petrović Njegoš served as both the Orthodox church leader and the political ruler of Montenegro. He worked to defend Montenegrin territory from Ottoman pressure, to coordinate and to discipline mountain tribes, and to strengthen the position of the Petrović Njegoš family. He was buried in the Cetinje monastery complex after his death. Above the town, on a small hill, there is a separate memorial tomb. This memorial is a stone marker and a local site of remembrance. It's not Danilo's main grave, but a visible site above Cetinje that people visit to acknowledge his role in Montenegrin history. The town is quiet. Old stone houses and slow streets make a calm place. People come to Cetinje to learn history and to walk in parks.